There's been a nagging question ever since the accident. Just how might the astronauts on board the Space Shuttle Challenger have actually died? In the explosion, or when the shuttle's crew compartment finally hit the ocean? Today, the space agency has released yet another set of pictures, and ABC's Lynn Scher has been looking at them.
The explosion happened so quickly it was impossible at first to identify individual parts falling to Earth. But new still photos taken by a 70-millimeter tracking camera and released in response to media requests show the crew cabin as it broke away from the orbiter. The pictures follow its emergence from the clouds and the beginning of its 8-mile plunge to the ocean. In a written release accompanying the photos, NASA insists, quote, "There is not enough detail available to ascertain the integrity of the cabin." In other words, whether it was indeed intact and whether the 7 crew members may have been alive or even conscious. But a source close to the investigation of the Challenger accident told ABC News that the word intact is a poor choice, that while it appears the whole cabin broke away from the vehicle, the skin might have been ripped, and the forces that tore the orbiter apart likely disabled the systems enabling the astronauts inside to breathe. That is some of what they hope to find out from analysis of the debris brought up from the ocean floor and from other data they are examining. NASA still has more pictures they have not yet released. Some are enhancements of the pictures they gave out today. Others, the frames that fill in the blanks between them. All have been seen by at least some members of the Presidential Commission. And ABC News has learned that they decided not to show some of them at a public hearing in order to avoid premature speculation on how the astronauts died, and in order to save the families some anguish. But NASA has still not explained why, after repeated requests, those pictures are not now being made public.
At Cape Canaveral today, a very small red flag